back to my channel. So today I'll be making stuffed peppers with cheese, chicken and egg. So let's begin. So I've cut up my peppers in half and you can see I've cleaned them up, I've washed them and I've put them on a baking tray. So I'm going to start off with just putting some chicken in the peppers, like so. So I'm going to now add an egg in each pepper. So I'm just going to do that in the rest of the peppers. So the eggs are now in. I'm going to add some pepper, and a pinch of salt, now I'm going to sprinkle some cheese. So my peppers are now ready to go in the oven. I'm going to pop these in the oven on a gas mark 6 for about 15 to 20 minutes. So my stuffed peppers are now ready and I'm just going to now serve these up. So our stuffed peppers are served. I'm actually serving them with a fattoush salad, which the recipe is in my other recipes. Please guys give it a try. And thanks guys for watching.